નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is preservation of our heritage. What is the name of chapter, dear children? Preservation of our heritage. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture you learn about our role in the preservation of the museum. Second thing, we have learned in previous lecture about the museums in the India, like example National Museum, Indian Museum, Vadodara Museum, Picture Gallery. This all these things we have to learn in the previous lecture. After we have learned our role in the preservation of our heritage. Now, dear children, today we have to learn about the cleanliness and the preservation of the picnic spot. Now, you have to open your page number 56 from your textbook. Which one? Topic today we have to learn cleanliness and preservation of the picnic spot. It means પ્રવાસન સ્થળોની સ્વચ્છતા અને જતન. Central and state government are taking the proper step. What happened that here? The central and state government are taking the proper step for the cleanliness and the preservation for our picnic spot. Consequently, the special arrangement has been made for it. Consequently, we can say that the one kind of the special arrangement has been made for it. Religious, historical places have always been greater attraction among the local as well as the foreign tourists. Dear children, you know very well that whatever the religious places is there or historical places is there, this all places have the greatest attraction among the local people as well as the tourist people as well as the foreign tourists. Henceforth, our government is attentive enough towards its preservation. So, dear children, what happened that our government is so much attentive enough towards the preservation. Now, dear children, following are the steps that we have to take care about it. First, do not use the plastic. Which one? In the picnic spot, do not use the plastic. It means plastic no उपयोग न करो. We cannot use the plastic at the picnic spot and we cannot throw the plastics anywhere. Do not litter at picnic spot. Use the dustbin. Whatever that is, children, do not litter at the picnic spot. Use always dustbin. Whatever we do not litter at the picnic spot. Use the dustbin. Do not spoil. Whatever given that, do not spoil the historical monument either by writing or drawing the picture. What happened that sometimes you have also seen that some people are spoil our historical monument, otherwise they have to write in the historical monument. So dear children, what they have given that, do not spoil historical monument either by writing or drawing the picture on it. Proper disposal of waste is required. Whatever the proper disposal of the waste is required at the picnic spot. Same way, next one they have given that, do not speak after eating tobacco or pan. What they have given that, do not speak after eating tobacco or pan. Do not pollute the surrounding areas of the historical monuments. What they have given that, here children, they have to given that, do not pollute the surrounding area of the picnic spots. Extensive care should be taken during the monsoon season of the historical monuments, which constitute the stepwells, layer, ponds, and the sink, etc. What they have given that, there is a requirement of the extensive care during the monsoon seasons for the historical monument, like example stepwell, layer, ponds, and the sink. While cleaning the monuments with the archaeological chemical method. What they have given that, they have given that precautions while cleaning the monuments with the archaeological chemical methods. Sanitize the domestic and the foreign visitor to avoid the damage of our historical heritage. What they have given that, they have given that to avoid the damage of our historical heritage, and this is the responsibility not only for the government, this is the responsibility of our own self, that we have to take care about each and every place of our historical heritage. If a natural disaster has caused, what dear children, if is there any kind of the natural disaster can occur that can damage our historical places, make an effort to bring it again to the original form. What happened then, dear children? They have to given that we know very well that any kind of the natural disaster was occurred that time, the huge damage of the life of the people as well as the property. So at the time of the natural disaster has caused the damage of our whatever the historical places is there, make efforts done by the government to bring it again to its original form. It is our responsibility that we have to maintain the beauty and the cleanliness of the tourist place. So what happened then, dear children? They have to given that this is not only responsibility of government, this is also the responsibility of us as a good citizen. This is our responsibility that we have to maintain the beauty as well as the cleanliness of our tourist place as they bring fame and the prosperity of the nation. We should make use of the science and technology to maintain the originality of our Asian heritage. What they have to say that, dear children, they have to given that we should make the use of advanced science and technology to maintain its original of our Asian heritage. Now, dear children, next one, they have to given that India unity and diversity. This is the most important question for the board examination. I am repeating, India unity in the diversity. It means Bharat vividhata ma ekta. Being one of the most ancient civilization of the world, dear children, you know very well that being one of the most ancient civilization of the world, India has varied and rich culture heritage. Dear children, you know very well that India has a rich and varied culture or diversity of India, its unique identity. What happened then, dear children? We can say that whatever the diversity we have to see in India, this is the one kind of the unique identity of the India. India has a fine amalgamation of the different caste, community, religion, tradition, culture and the language in spite of having the variety. Dear children, you know very well that in India has a fine amalgamation of the different caste, different community, religion, tradition, culture and the language in spite of having the variety. Yet India stands united and undivided. So dear children, we can say that India stands united and undivided. India has proved to be the feeling of the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. What happened then, dear children? We can say that India can prove the feeling of the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is family. What was the meaning of the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, dear children? That we can say that India believes that the whole world is our family. This feeling existence in India from our Vedic period. Let us get a good thought and vibration from all four directions. So this is the responsibility given in the Vedic period. Let us get good thoughts and vibration from all other directions. Is the message of the Rig Veda, which showcases the grandeur and the glory of Indian culture. So dear children, we can say that this is the things of our Veda show the glory of Indian culture. India has a spread religious tolerance and secularism across the world. What happened there, dear children? We can say that India has spreading the religious tolerance and secularism across the world level. Swami Vivekananda, dear children, you know very well that the Swami Vivekananda said the following word in the World Religion Conference. Which conference? World Religion Conference. Swami Vivekananda said there, which was held in Chicago in US. What happened there, dear children? World Conference held in Chicago in America. That time the Swami Vivekananda said that I am proud to say that I represent the religion that has taught to the lesson of tolerance, compassion and universal fraternity to the world. What the Swami Vivekananda word there? I am repeating. I am proud to say that I represent the religion that has taught the lesson of tolerance, compassion and universal fraternity to the world. And what Swami Vivekananda said that મને કહેતા ગર્વ થાય છે કે જે ધર્મનો હું પ્રતિનિધિ છું તે ધર્મ જગતને સહિષ્ણુતા અને વિશ્વ બંધુત્વના પાઠો શીખવ્યા છે. This word are said by Swami Vivekananda in World Religious Conference held in Chicago in America. India is a secular country. Dear children, you know very well that India is a which kind of the country? Secular country. Secular, it means bin sampradaya. India is a land of multi-religious influence of Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jain, Christianity, etc. You have to see into the Indian culture. Therefore, we can say that this is the one kind of the torch bearer name of our country as a Bharatvarsha. And that's why what happened there, dear children, we can say that this is the one kind of the torch bearer name of our country as a Bharatvarsha. By stressing on its unity, it reflects upon the broad outlook. Holy name of seven scared river have been used in our prayer. What happened there, dear children? We are using the seven holy name of scared river while the prayer. People include the great Shaga, Sufism, Swami Vivekananda, and Saraswati, Mahatma Gandhi always stress upon the peace, coordination and universal brotherhood. What we can say that our maximum ancestor as well as the great people given the message to the world that we have to follow the peace, coordination and universal brotherhood. Unity in diversity is a unique features of the Indian culture. Which is the unique features of our Indian culture? Unique features of Indian culture is the unity in diversity, means vividhama ekta. As at the end of the day, all the river amalgamate into the great ocean. Which we know very well that all the rivers are amalgamation into the great ocean. So equivalently, our country has also the conglomerates, the different religion, different caste, different languages, different tradition, creed, custom and the festival. What they have given that in our India, different religions is there, different caste, different language, different tradition, different creed, different custom and the festival is there. The people of India live their life with the feelings of the coexistence. So dear children, we can say that the people of India live their life with the feeling of the coexistence. Which one? The feeling of the coexistence. It means sam-astitva. The people of India have conserved this quality and have wonderful enhanced it. And that's why we can say that the people of India conserve this quality and have wonderfully enhanced it. So dear children, today we have to learn in this lecture about the cleanliness and the preservation of our picnic spot as well as India unity in the diversity. The second and most important thing, this is the most important question for the board examination. And dear children, you know very well that India has proved the feeling of the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It means that we can say that the whole world is family. Thank you, dear children. Thank you for joining us